What if you eat all your apples today and tomorrow you have zero? That's why saving is important. Imagine your parents give you 10 apples. You could eat all 10 apples today, but tomorrow you would have nothing left. So instead, you decide to eat 5 apples today and keep 5 apples for later. That's called saving. That's called saving. Saving means keeping some money now so you can use it in the future. People save money for things like buying a phone, a bicycle, or emergencies. So remember, saving equal not using everything today. So you have something tomorrow. Thank you.